Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how to create a table in Notion. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. First, you should go to the page in Notion where you want to make your table. And to add a table to your page, type /command and search for table. Select the first option. Drag outwards to add additional columns and down to add additional rows. You can just click into cells and use the tab key to navigate horizontally as you add content. There is also a button in the table settings menu that will quickly set the table to the current width of the page. Sample table cells accept rich text formatting, just like text blocks. This includes formatting like bolding and italics, comments, and links. In the sample table block menu, you can set both header row and header column. You can also drag and drop rows and columns to reorder them. Finally, you can turn a sample table into database. This is useful for when your table ends up needing more features, filters, or sort criteria. And that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, you can click the like button. That helps a lot. Thank you and bye bye.